Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tour review is going to be another product from Klein. However, it's not a screwdriver, not a connect set. It's something actually pretty small. This is the compact magnetic stud finder. Part number on this is MSF100. It's going to run you basically about 15 bucks at Lowe's. Just as far as the packaging says, detects metal studs and fasteners. Felt backing protects the wall. Powerful rare earth magnet. You can also see there it is made in China. So again, I picked this up at Lowe's for $15. It's very much like the Stud Buddies of the world. I actually have this Racketeers ball that I use. They sell many versions of this on Amazon. I want to say I picked this up for 19 bucks. This is by far the most powerful magnet that I've used. In fact, I can even find fasteners. Right there's one on that plywood right there, unexposed fastener on my plywood. It's still finding that. But however, the magnet on this one, if I stick that over that same area, it kind of pulls over there to it too. So it's still finding it as well. So the magnet on it is fairly powerful. Of course, the intent to use this thing is in finding your studs for drywall. So here I've got a drywall screw that's kind of put in the place where it should be. You do that zigzag looking around, and then once it catches, you know that you are on hopefully a stud if someone has put a fastener into the framing and not into a pipe or something like that, or that a pipe's not hanging out real close to the wall. Down here I've got a screw that's set back pretty deep. If I scroll around, it still finds it on there, still hangs on. It's going to let you know that there is something screwed in, or there's something behind that it has something fastened to it. So if you're looking to fasten to something, hopefully that's what that's going to be. Again, you got to kind of take that with a grain of salt. You got to kind of know the situation of where you're at. Should there be framing in that area? Is there any plumbing or electricity in that area? And check those things out. But again, this magnetic stud finder of this kind, that kind, any kind, has been the most accurate to me. Some of the other features on this one has a level vial on it. So once you get to the point where you grab a hold of the fastener, whatever it is, if you turn it and you get it, in that plumb position, you could then have yourself a straight edge to kind of go along here. Maybe you're going to put in a box or something like that. Just an idea for there. Also gives you a mark up here at the top to be able to put a pencil mark. And then the other features has this here where you could slide a carabiner through there to attach it to your bag. The Racketeers version kind of has something similar with this right here, but you could obviously also, anything metal on your bag, if you take, it's going to stick to that and just kind of hang out there if that's what you want to do. One other bonus to this one, along with any other one typically, is because it's metal. So if you've got that on your bag, you need a place to store a bit real fast, you can kind of throw that on the front. Very small, like parts trayish type thing as well that you could use that for. But yeah, guys, that's the new Klein Tools Magnetic Stud Finder MSF100. Going to run you 15 bucks. I have kind of found magnetic stud finders to be the most accurate in my opinion, or I have the most confidence in using those. Again, you have to be careful when you use them, but Klein has now come out with this option, has that felt backing on there to kind of save the wall from kind of getting smudges, very similar to the rubber on both sides of the ball on this one. So I like that feature that they put on there as well. Has a nice look to it, has some nice features. 15 bucks, you know if it's the right tool for you, but I'm just letting you know that it's out there. Hope it's helpful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.